Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get back docs in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch OBS Studio on your computer. Once the application opens and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu option labeled Docs. Go ahead and click on it to reveal all the available doc options within OBS Studio. When you click on Docs, a drop-down menu will appear displaying a comprehensive list of different docs that OBS Studio offers. You'll see various options including scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transitions, controls, stats, chat, stream information, Twitch stats, Twitch activity feed, and several other docs that might be available depending on your OBS version and installed plugins. Each of these docs serves a specific purpose in your streaming or recording workflow, so having quick access to them can significantly improve your productivity. Now here's the beauty of this feature. Getting your docs back is incredibly straightforward. Simply click on any doc you want to restore from the list. The moment you click on it, that specific doc will immediately appear in your OBS workspace. For example, if you accidentally closed your audio mixer and need it back, just click on Audio Mixer from the Docs menu and it will instantly reappear. The same applies to any other doc you might need, whether it's your Scenes panel, Sources, or any of the streaming-specific panels like Chat or Stream Information. You can repeat this process for as many docs as you need to restore. There's no limit to how many you can have visible at once, so feel free to customize your workspace exactly how you prefer it. This makes OBS Studio incredibly flexible for different use cases, whether you're streaming, recording, or managing multiple sources simultaneously. And that's it. You've successfully restored your docs in OBS Studio and can now continue working with your preferred workspace layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.